Welcome to the e-file site. This easy-to-use site makes the process of filing your information returns convenient and affordable, all while guaranteeing that your data is filed on time. Electronic filing is quickly becoming the preferred method for filing 1099s, W-2s, and other IRS business tax forms due to its accuracy and speed. Some of the key benefits of e-filing include managing multiple payers of one account, no requirement for paper forms or software, and the capacity to import data from multiple file types, such as our Excel template, Xero, and QuickBooks. This video shows you in 3 simple steps just how easy it is to file your information returns. Step 1 is creating an account or logging in. In order to create an account, click Sign Up Now. Enter an email address, click the security CAPTCHA, and follow the instructions. Then click Send Email. You will receive an email to continue to set up your account. Create a password and click Create Account. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password in the appropriate fields and click Login. Step 2 is setting up payers and recipients. Once you've created your account, but before filing tax forms, you must set up payers and recipients. While you can upload the data via Excel, Xero, and QuickBooks, in this video we will use manual entry. From the dashboard, select Manage Payers on the right-hand side of the screen or from the Payers and Recipients menu at the top. Once you're on the Payers and Recipients page, to manually create new payers and recipients, click Add New Payer. Enter your payer information accordingly. Once you've entered all your information, click Save. When you return to the Payers and Recipients screen, you will see the newly created payer displayed in the grid. Now that you have a payer created, click Add Recipient below the payer. Enter your recipient data. Once you've entered your information, click Save. Click on the Filing Center tab and then click on the Upload Forms sub-tab. This allows you to access the Upload Center if you want to import payers and recipients instead of entering them manually. And lastly, Step 3 is to complete and file a tax form. Now that your payers and recipients have been created, you can start filing tax forms. Begin by clicking Start Filing below the grid on the Manage Payers and Recipients screen, or select Filing Center in the top navigation bar. Choose the form you want to file and click File Form Type. Once you're on the form screen, start by selecting the payer from the drop-down menu. All data fields will be populated for that specific payer. Then select your recipient from the drop-down menu, and all your recipient information will populate for the required fields. Now enter your tax information in the appropriate data fields, and click Submit and Checkout when you are finished. You can also click Submit and File More to complete another form of the same type if you have more than one form to file. Once you've selected Submit and Checkout, you will navigate to the Forms in Progress page. Here you will see the forms you just created. You can verify the information you entered by selecting the forms you want to review and clicking Print Preview. This option will let you see a draft of the forms you created. You can save the preview form as a PDF and have your payers and/or recipients review it prior to officially submitting your forms. This will help to prevent errors. Another way to review your data is by running a summary and totals report. Once you've verified your information, simply select the forms that you're ready to file. Choose your service option from the drop-down, which is e-file and delivery, e-file only, and print and mail only, and then click Add to Cart. When the forms are in your cart, select Proceed to Checkout to finish the process. Now that you've created your payers and recipients, the next time you log in, you'll be automatically directed to the dashboard. From here, you can easily navigate throughout the site, as well as view the most recent activity for the current tax year. The dashboard allows you to quickly access your payers, recipients, and the Upload Center if you're using one of the upload functions to create multiple forms. It also provides a season summary of the current year filings, from forms e-filed and forms accepted by the IRS and SSA to recipient copies mailed and recipients who've selected e-delivery receipt of their forms. You can also access the Filed Forms page from the dashboard for more details on each of your filings, including a filter for viewing specific forms, or you can search by recipient, invoice number, or payer name. It's that easy. Now that you've gone through the steps, you'll be more familiar with the process the next time you file.